Hi guys, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. I do know it took a long time for this video because I had a surgery in between. But in this video, what we are going to talk is about how to light your videos. Let it be any video, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever videos you're doing. And you want to light it and make it better as you saw in the title and thumbnail. I'll be showing you how you can go ahead and light your videos. First of all, I will switch off all my lights over here apart from the behind practical lights. That is the RGB and the practical light, which is a lamp over here, which you can see. Apart from that, I'll be switching off all the lights so that we can start from zero. The only two lights which are on would be the behind lights. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we will switch off the light which I'm getting from here. That has been switched off completely. Now I do have a remote for my other light. I will be showing you these lights once I have done showing you how to go ahead and light yourself. So we'll be switching off the main light also now. So now you can see the difference. The only lights which I have over here is, let me go ahead and show you that. One sec. Okay. So the only lights which I have over here, you can see how bad the video quality is now. So let me try to show you the light which I have over here. Okay. To see via this cam, you'll be able to see the RGB lights are there behind. And at the top, there's another RGB light which is acting as the hair light over here. Over here, you'll be able to see the hair light. That is due to the RGB light over here. I have made a video regarding the RGB, how you can set it up. In case you want to see that, I'll link it to the end screen so that you can go ahead and watch that video. How to make an RGB light. That is within 300 rupees. You'll be able to do that. I will show you that. It comes with the remote. Okay, guys. Now what you can see over here is that this is a totally dark atmosphere. The only lights on behind is behind, as I told you. So first we'll be switching on this light, my right hand side light, for which I'm using just a ring light on a boom arm stand. So let's switch that on. It is in an orange color. We can change it to white. So now you can see from the right there's a light coming, but still there are a lot of grains. That is due to the light. So now we'll be switching on my second light, which is on my left, which is an Helios light. I'll be showing you that. And we can adjust. It's actually too much, so we'll just reduce it by using the remote. Let me see. Yeah, so that is optimum. So now what you could see is like the light is adjusted properly, as well as you can see the background also clearly. So what are the lights? Just two lights I have. One light is just about 300 rupees, the ring light. The others is about 2000 rupees, the Helios light. These are the only two main lights. That's the key light, the Helios light, and the fill light which I'm using. And the ring light which I have, it does not only go ahead and give me the light for my face, but it also does a dual purpose thing over here. Like it lights up even my desk below. So it lights up my desk below over here. So it gives me a dual purpose. Now let me go ahead and show you the light, as I had promised you that. So if you see, the first light is the Helios light, which I had told you. It's over there. I have done an unboxing for that. You can check that out. And the second is the ring light. As I had told you, it's facing me. Even that is facing me. And I have the remote for that over here. And for this you can control via the wire over here without any problem. And the other light over here is the hand light, which I'm using an RGB light for which I made the video. You can see the video in the description what I'm showing. Like in the end screen, you'll be able to see the video of how you can go ahead and make this RGB lights for yourself. So let's go ahead and go to the main cam and discuss this more. So it is as simple as it can get over here. Like one light here, one light here. And there's nothing more to that. And in case you need any additional light, like a hair light, as I showed you, I'm using an RGB for a hair light. If you can see here, the color of the light differentiates over here. That is nothing but a hair light over here. And behind you do have all the RGB lights. I did make a video for that. Please go ahead and check that out in the end screen. And this is the simplest way you can go ahead and light up this thing. Light up your YouTube video or any of the videos and make it better. Like I can also change the color temperature in this light. So in both the lights, actually, I can make it orangish or I can make it total whitish. I like the white one, but you can choose whichever you want, like for a studio light. You can go ahead and do that. And I've made videos for this light as well as the RGB lights. If you see in my playlist, you'll be able to see in that how to go ahead and make in the tutorials. I will connect that playlist like in the end screen so that you'll be able to check that out for yourself. And in case you have any doubts, please go ahead and post your comments below so that I can go ahead and help you out with it. Until next time, if you did like this video, please like and subscribe for the channel. And this is Kamal Tech Vlog, and this is Kamal over here, and you have a wonderful day there.